Wow, this slide looks amazing. I bet it feels so fun to swoosh all the way down.
Koko, is that a real slide made from a tree? It looks so cool. Koko, is that a real slide made from a tree? It looks so cool.
Maybe I should just wait. It's okay.
Come on, Toto. Let's check the top together. It's gonna be awesome.
Toto, I'm coming up. I want to talk.
You look ready, Koko. I can't wait to try it too.
See? Playing together feels way better like this. Woohoo! This feels amazing.
Oh, I thought it was my turn next.
It looks fun, but something about this doesn't feel fair. I think Toto really wanted a turn too. Whoa! Koko is getting all the turns, and Toto barely moves. Oh no! Toto looks really left out. I wish I could help him feel better. Something about this doesn't feel right for Toto.
Maybe I should just wait.
It's okay. Huh? Toto's still up there.
Is he okay? Koko?
I think maybe Toto wanted his turn already. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't mean to make him wait. Maybe it was silly to think I'd get a turn so soon.
Koko, maybe you can talk to him. I think he needs to hear you care.
You can make him feel better. Just show him you understand. Go on, Koko. You can fix this. Toto just needs a fair chance. Okay, I'll talk to him. He deserves his turn. I'm gonna let him know I didn't mean to skip him. Toto! I'm coming up. I want to talk. Koko?
You really want to talk to me? Yeah, I really want to. I didn't mean to take your turns.
I thought maybe no one noticed I was waiting.
I noticed too late, but I care. And I want you to have your turn.
Do you really think I can go now?
Yes, Toto. It's your turn. We're all waiting for you.
Okay, I'm ready this time.
Go on, Toto. Enjoy your turn.
Here I go. Wow, this is amazing. He's really doing it.
glad he's happy. That was the best slide ever!
See? You did it, and it looked awesome!
You were so brave up there. Thank you, everyone. It means a lot. I'm really glad you got your turn. Thanks for helping me feel included. Now everything feels fair and happy again. See? Playing together feels way better like this. Now that's how friends take turns. See? You were patient and brave. Your turn brightened everyone's morning. So, how about we all take turns now, one by one? Yes! Let's all take turns together.
Toto first, then everyone else. Ready?
Okay. Oi, here comes turn number 2.
This is what playing together should feel like.
This feels even better than the first time. Nice. That was smooth. You slid like a pro that time.
That was awesome! Your best one yet.
You looked so confident up there. Your courage really shines today. You really showed confidence this time. We all knew you had it in you. I'm really glad we're playing together like this. All right, who's ready for the next turn? I think it's my turn now. Here I go. Thanks for waiting, everyone. I'm ready. Whee! This is so fun! You looked so graceful, Mimi. That was wonderful. Who's next? All right, my turn. Watch this.
Get ready! Here I go! Woohoo! This is the best!
Great slide, BB. I nailed it. I did it.
That was fast and awesome!
Great job! Now let's keep going.
Everyone's having fun.
Everyone's having fun. This is perfect. Let's enjoy the rest of the day together.
Playing together feels happiest when everyone gets a turn.